That's coming up. What you got running in here, man?
412 Soundqubed 3s on 235 Soundqubed also, and with a 1000 watt Soundqubed to my 6.5s and tweeters.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I gotta turn on my sound. Nasty, ain't it?
Yeah, that thing nasty, man. Those are 10s, right?
No, 412s.
12?
Yeah, 412s. HDC 3s on Soundqubed. Everything Soundqubed in this.
Those are, what size amps are those? 10Ks?
No, 235s. I already got 1,000 watt for the 8s and the 6.5s and the tweeters.
Okay. Let them know they can find you. Are you on Facebook anywhere?
Yeah, I'm on DLK Prater.
Okay. I'm gonna try to tag them down below, man. It's good seeing you, brother.
Okay.
Well, thank you.
No problem. Yeah, I done replaced the windshield 3 times. It does a 57.7.
Oh yeah, it's all right. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's real good. Yeah. How's it going, man? Some music, do you? That's coming up, man.